I will come back to this point to say that the issue of party discipline in Cameroon is what has led us today to the natural candidate issue. It is unheard of that in modern democracy we have natural candidates where the people can no longer choose who they want to rule, but a particular person has decided to win the minds of the people. No, I think it is rather an issue of we are living in a
dictatorial regime.
Okay. Yeah, we are living in a kingdom rather than in democracy. So party discipline has also led to what I call loss. You know, the CPDM are aggrieved because if you look at the past municipal election and parliamentary election that just passed, there are people who have been in position of mayorship for more than 18 years, but they don't want to leave the pitch. And in that case, you will see a particular party bringing 4 lists, 5 lists. I've seen it within the CPDM. Why? A fraction of the people feel that that person has overstayed his welcome and he has not delivered the goods. Now he wants to remain there because the person who is there at the head of the politics in that region, the political godfather, as we call it, has continued, has given that person a blank check. Why? That person is dancing to his tune. And let me tell you, the issue of party discipline is not an issue of worshiping individuals. Okay. I don't think that when they were gouging out the rules of party discipline, somebody named like the president of the republic or somebody named like the governor of this or the minister of this was within the rules. So we should not be blunt to be worshiping people. Once you feel that something is, once you are placed in a position to rule, or in a position to discharge a particular function, do it without your hands being tied, because when we continue bringing in this issue of party discipline, we kill talents. There are people who can deliver. I know people that can lead municipality and develop the constituency to a fault, but because once you do that, it appears you want to take over the godfather. Why? Once people start saying, oh, for example, Belamoki, he might suppress down on the political godfather of the FACO, who is Peter Mafani. It's not that. I feel that people should be allowed to respect their party rules within the party. When they go to their party meetings and party whatsoever, they should hear at people, but they should not prevent the people from executing their function. And let me land with this point.
Yes.
The government is not a party. It has come to a point where once you have not aligned yourself with the party, you cannot lead in the government.
Just as he said, somebody is facing a difficulty to defend the PhD.
You will say experts. Somebody who have acquired knowledge.
That doesn't have facts.
Yeah. No, let me bring up.
It's not concerning you.
That's what I wanted to.
Yes. So it has come to a point where once you have not, I learned this from Ayapo Abine.
Yeah.
He told me, I questioned him, why did you accept the advocate general position that was given to you at the Supreme Court? And he said, no, young man, you might not have known a lot, but the government is different from a party. Anybody, CROM, UNDP, CPP, and whatsoever, in as much as you have the capacity and you can deliver the good, I feel that the President of the Republic, as the Constitution has given him the power, should appoint you to such office to head, and it does not clash with party discipline in any way.
Okay. Mr. Anjomosiri, we shall take a round and back then we'll conclude the program. Mr. Anjomosiri, can we have some insights as far as party discipline and godfatherism in the Cameroon Neza movement, how it is treated? Because we know it can't be absent.
You know, Mambo Williams, I personally have been dismissed from my party.
Okay.
Because I was looking like some of these young people that when they join a political party, they think that they will change the war with their hand clap.
Okay.
No, it's more complex than that. And I would really encourage young people to join politics so that they should move from the myth to the reality. No, when you join politics, it's not.
But let's understand: is it dismissal or suspension?
I was dismissed. It was when I follow up the litigation I finally had reason.
Okay.
I had to go to Yaoundé to follow up because the original litigation committee was corrupt. Now I'm talking like a case study. Because I got up here in Boyan and said I will be mayor, and there was nothing to stop me in my party. They did everything. I said I will not bow down.
Okay.
But with the experience that I went through, we're having echoes coming from the platform. And what I can say about it is that there is what we think about life and what life is really.
Okay.
Yes. What I can say that came out is that truly there are some people in the party that have moved from other political party to a new party that is preaching the good gospel.
Okay.
And by political experience, they are heavier than you in what you want to do. And the young people who are supposed to stand for you to make the majority. Take my case, I wanted to be regional boss for the Cameroon Renaissance movement. I was handicapped at 2 levels, financially and during the election vote, despite the fact that I mobilized my age mate to come for the party, they failed me that day. And I went, they beated me, hands up. I had 3 votes, while my contestant had 15. That is how he took the seats. You think that when I come out from that hall, a young person tell me about politics, I will sit and listen to that young man? I cannot.
Maybe they didn't.
Because you are inexperienced.
Okay.
And what I'm going through, I have shared with other young politicians in other political parties. They go through the same thing. Financially, we are weak. Before the election, for example, I'm not exposing an in-house issue.
You're exposing already.
Okay.
You're just being a child of God to say the truth.
You're exposing as a politician.
We young people, we are the cause of our own problem. Why we are not represented in majority in political parties? Because we keep thinking of fairness, transparency, good governance. All those things are ideologies. We are working towards achieving the best of those things. But for a young democracy like us, 60 years of democracy, the US has been quoted uncountable time on this platform. Men, they have 100 centuries years of democracy. We cannot dare compare their democratic processes with us. And even Donald Trump, most of the time on his Twitter line, spend time insulting the Democrats. So such example to be brought to a platform like this is insulting my personality. Because
maybe you get your voice back before I come back to you.
Let me land by saying that my voice has come back. Let me just land by saying that.
Take a breath.
In the Cameroon Renaissance movement, truly there is that same aspect of party discipline that reigns.
Yeah.
What bleeds my heart is
but I understand the law permits that.
You see people who are incompetent. Yeah. You see people that you can do better than them, taking a position that the people will likely suffer the same mistake of the present regime leading. And you start asking yourself, what is the change that the people are aspiring for?
Okay. Mr. S.K. Kufo,
yeah.
You know, legal minds don't tell lies.
No, we don't tell lies.
I would like you to be as sincere as Mr. Njomosiri. How do you exercise or how do you treat the situation of party discipline and godfatherism in your party?
I mean, to be very candid, the term godfatherism is a broad term. But now,
political godfatherism.
That's what I'm saying. If we talk political godfatherism, it will depend on the implementation. Okay. There are positive implementation and there are negative implementation. In USDP, I will not tell you that there is political godfatherism. For example, I am a son to my boss. I'm a son to Prince Ekoso when it comes to political. He's a mentor to me. That's why most of the time I said I am being groomed by one of the best politicians now in the surface of Cameroon, Prince Ekoso. So when we talk about political godfatherism, I want to say he's my political godfather. But now, when we say political godfatherism has to be checked, is it pushing you to get into position of incompetency when there are competent people who can take it? For example, we are talking, if it comes to dimension, let's say appointment or other stuff.
People have achieved positions that they are not supposed to be.
No, in USDP, I want to say that I am the son, a political godson to Priest Okoso. But with the latest in-house elections and the rest, he advised me candidly where I want to run for. He said, Kufo, listen, you are my son. You get me? Dr. Mbile here has an experience here. He can do this, he can do this. When we came to the nutshell, we discovered that he has what he can give out there, which I am limited. And I still have some time to be nurtured to that level. So I want to say that we struggle to put square peg in square holes. which means we put people in position we know are well deserving. That does not look at the surrounding of USDP, but they are looking at the nation in general. When you say the vision of USDP is Cameroon, it's not a party. In USDP, we define the party just as a vehicle to deliver the goodies that the people within has for Cameroonians. For example, if you want to bring change into Cameroon or you want to bring change into the political landscape, you must belong to a political party. So when you say people with ideas of goodness of Cameroon into USDP, so now you struggle to build the format of the team that can best lodge what they have to. Because now we are talking about differences of idea and the best ideas should govern, and that is what we are looking forward to. So USDP has to cajole those with the best ideas, we should believe, put it core and core with other political parties, they can best deliver what Cameroonians may be adopting. So in political godfatherism, it happens in USDP, but it happens for the good purposes, nurturing us to become the best.
Let me come to the other two panelists. They are not of any party. If maybe you can be a politician, but you are not.
Mr. Moderator, please,
yes.
there are things that when
Yes,
you
please.
ask here, it baffles me.
Okay, yes, please.
Who is a politician? Who is a politician? He is a politician, and he went in as a councillor, so he was in the field even. He's more of a politician.
Okay, then he has to
He's
inform us.
No, please,
yes,
permit me land.
yes,
he
please.
is on this table we are seated. Recently, he's a more of a politician.
Please,
than
please,
any
let me
other
know.
people.
Wait, please.
He was
Under
there.
which
He went
please.
for campaigns.
During the
He's
campaign,
more of
was
a
he-
politician, yes.
during the
Not
campaign-
presidential.
During the campaign,
Please, I know what I'm saying here.
Excuse me.
Okay.
Municipal.
Okay, please.
You ran for elections. I personally ran for elections.
Okay.
I combine my elections.
Okay, excuse me. Mr. Item, I'm very sorry. Yes, you can. Mr. Item, I'm very sorry because I did not know. I did not know you belong to a party. Which is the party? Which party is that?
Let me be honest.
Because I'm trying
He is
to
a
know
politician.
how
We
the
should not be
various
biased here
parties.
with
Yes,
CRM. That issue of CRM being biased on this table.
please,
No way.
please,
Let me be
yes,
honest
I'll not
with
come
you.
to
Yes.
the
Let
panel
me
again.
be honest with you on
yes,
this
please,
platform.
please.
When I hear people preaching of their parties,
No,
Let
please.
me learn.
I
Let me
personally
learn.
ask
Let me learn.
how
I have a
how
fact,
it
but I don't
functions
think-
in their
I
different.
don't- I don't
Let me
think-
come to
I
something.
don't think
Mr. Intem Armstrong,
with due respect.
Mr. Intem Armstrong, let me say something.
Okay.
This round, I decided that we should know and educate our audiences how this thing is treated in the various parties. So anybody who is in a party is free to tell the audience and
We know the times we are living. It's not everything that is
now,
expressive.
please.
What of
You
those
have the
ones
right.
say?
You have the right. So if you belong to a party, can we know how is it the situation is being
Dr.
handled?
Like Dr. Ernest rightly made mention here.
Yes.
I was on ground for the municipal election.
Yeah.
And I was a councillor on the list, which was announced by Lekam, Cameroon. And I actively took part in the campaigns. I even went to one of the most difficult areas, which is Akwaya subdivision. In fact, it's an area that you travel through days and nights. Let me learn. When you were talking at doing the
This guy to talk.
Let him
Yeah.
do the part.
I don't know, but like I said,
Right on.
I went for this election through CDP.
Okay.
Yeah, the party of Eno Benskam. But let me tell you, it's not, you don't force people on the platform to identify themselves.
You don't.
No,
You don't do
no,
that.
no.
It's not correct. It's not correct, Mr.
No, you can't attend. Yes.
It's not correct. If not,
Please.
there will be miscommunication.
Yes,
Please.
please. It is best correct. It is best correct. It's best correct.
I came here as a psychologist, not
No,
as a
no. Please.
I came
It
here
is
as an
best
analyst. I
correct.
did not come here as a party.
It's not
Okay,
correct,
then-
Mr.
So at
Moderator.
one
Okay,
point, if
no,
you
listen,
want to
listen.
intrude into my personal life,
If we are
I can
analyzing,
give you.
please,
Now-
if a question is asked and you
You
feel
want
like
to give
you
his
don't
personal
want
life, are you
to,
going?
please,
Yes,
excuse
I'm
me,
so
excuse me,
Yeah.
please. If a question is asked and you feel like you don't want to attend it, you make it clear and
No,
get
it's
to the
okay.
next thing.
It's okay.
But,
It's that-
but
it
correct,
appears
we are
that-
trying to know how
I
parties
understand.
treat
Yeah.
the situation,
The party
please.
discipline issue.
Yes.
Let me be honest, with you, party discipline has cost a lot
Yeah.
to this country. For example, I will just quote you a recent case. When I was on the field during the campaign, it was obvious that you will hear an administrator or a councillor of another list, let me put it that way, an administrator yelling at citizens who have to make their choice, free choice, to choose whosoever they like. That as far as you are working with, you are a teacher, as far as you are a headmaster, as far as you are a nurse, as far as you are this, it's a government institution. Once you vote this opposite party, automatically you will be dismissed from that position. it has become more of a threat. Party discipline issue have become more of a threat to an ordinary Cameroonian who can no longer exercise his free will.
Can you belong to a party and you don't vote that party?
When
It's possible.
That's why I said Cameroonians should
It's possible.
make a difference.
Then you
Yes,
are
it's
not
possible.
true. You are not a true member of that
Yes.
party.
No, it's
Once-
possible.
Once you
It's
feel that they are not
possible.
delivering the goods.
It's possible.
Yes, when you feel that the
Your
party-
individual conscience, it's
yeah, when you
possible.
feel that the party is not delivering the goods, you can vote another candidate. And let me land by saying that party discipline.
That's serious information.
Yes, party
Yes.
discipline.
It's possible.
Is an issue of, it's an internal issue rather than a public affair.
Okay.
So, as the earlier.
No, it's public. That's why the
No,
law makes
no,
it.
let me
Wait,
put
let me
it-
say, if the law puts it there, it means public.
Yeah, the law puts
Yes.
it. That's why I said the law is not a universal law. Okay.
No, it is in the law
no,
of the country
no,
that.
no,
let me tell
no.
you.
Let him cite it.
No,
Okay, let's
it is
see.
the law of the country.
That-
It has been made clear, and that is why when during the municipal election, when the problem came up, it was being made clear by LECAM that it is permitted.
Cite the
So
law,
they
What
This
does the
one
law
section
say?
on it.
What does the law
What
say?
section of the electoral
No,
code?
we
He
have
doesn't have a leg abaga. You cannot assimilate him like that.
Okay.
go and find out. You see
Okay,
it.
okay, let me-
It-
let me-
it-
question was-
during
out
court
of time,
session,
let me
during the
stop.
court
That
session,
question was
during the
cancelled.
court session,
Don't-
when
don't-
Eleka was taken
don't-
to
don't-
court,
don't-
if you followed it
We are out of time.
during
Mr.
court
Moore.
session,
Let me-
yes,
wait,
but
wait,
please
wait,
don't
wait,
argue
wait,
so.
wait,
Okay,
wait,
If you may know,
yes,
I
yes,
was
10
in court.
seconds, 10
I was
seconds.
in the administrative court,
10
and until my case went to the Supreme Court, I won the Supreme Court case. If you may know, that was what permitted me to be. I mean, to
list,
go for
yeah,
the
list,
election.
yeah, list,
So
yes.
I will repeat it again.
Yes.
Issue of party discipline as internal issues.
Is
The
a fa-
civilian cannot come in public and start announcing on public media that
That-
CPDM
oh,
has
this-
no,
yes.
it
Okay.
is within their meetings
Okay.
and their forums
Okay.
that they can discuss such issues.
Thank you,
Okay,
thank you,
Dr.
Mr.
Busi.
Moderator.
Dr. Busi,
I want to say
let's
that
conclude this program.
party politics or party discipline, it defines the internal rules and regulation of a particular party.
Yeah.
And we all know that politics is all about the struggle for power and interest. Whether we like it or not, it's a struggle for power and interest. So each politicians will always want to support their political parties and their ideologies. And you look at it detailing, Mr. Moderator, during political elections and campaigns. You will see politicians who have gone out to campaign for their candidates in all areas in Cameroon. They will bring in political manifesto, or they can bring an idea, let me say they can bring something like a quote, le choix du peuple, la force de l'expérience. And if you are the team man, you are the team head for that campaign, and you go there and you do not say le choix du peuple or la force de l'expérience, they will say you are not respecting party discipline. So party discipline is an internal issue. Whether CRM, whether CPDM, whether SDF or any other party, it is an internal issue of the country. It has cons and pros.
Okay. Dr. Busi, thank you so very much for coming.
Thank you, Mr. Moderator. I think that with my co-panelists, at times we hit our head to build, not to destroy. Thank you.
Mr. Item Armstrong.
Thank you very much. The issue of party discipline should be put in the right conception.
Okay.
That it should not be something that will cause our nation the development that it takes, because there are young people aspiring to construct, but because of issue of party discipline, it has become a limitation. So people should be allowed to exercise their free electoral rights that have been embedded on them by the Constitution of the Republic.
Okay.
Leave the party issue aside, allow people during election is the right of each and every individual to vote whosoever. If you are in CPDM, it does not mean that you must vote the party. You can vote another choice in as much as that choice is the person who can deliver.
I still need to know a strong member of a party will do that.
It is very possible. I just want to pick up from there that we are talking that the nation is bigger than everything. So if your candidate, there is a time your party doesn't have what you think will give the nation. Like there was a time.
Don't you think you leave the party?
I'm coming.
Okay.
I'm coming. When we say it doesn't have, when the head doesn't have, doesn't mean the party doesn't have what it takes. There are team members that have what it takes, but the person that is going up does not have what it takes to the other person that is coming from that person. That's why there was a time my party has to want to sign a coalition with CROM. I was so defiant about that, and I have to talk about it because, like, I want to maintain. That
Maybe if they did, you would have been right up there.
I'm already up there, sir. Don't take it.
Okay.
I want to say this. I told my president, Mr. Puisekoso, that I will vote for President Bia 100 times than to even attempt to be in a quick line that wants to go and vote for Kamto. So in that nutshell, I made it very clear And they understood with me because, like we said, there is liberty in the party. I just have to stay mute while they run the coalition or whatever thing they wanted to say.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you very much, Mr. Mohamed, for inviting me. I'm grateful.
Thanks for having me. You know, I personally know Prince Ekoso.
Yeah.
And there are certain things I won't reveal on this platform.
Yeah.
He is somebody who holds the Cameroon Renaissance movement at high esteem. Even with the Survivor Cameroon, he was part of the team.
Okay.
It's just to make you know that
Yes.
the militant on the platform is having a lot of utterances in his statement, and some of these things I just have to tape and send to his boss so that internal
No.
communication.
What is your end here? What is your end here?
You are chairman of your party, President Maurice Kamto.
Okay, thank you.
Can the doctor?
I've never taped your own, the
Mr.
chairman of
Jomosiri,
your party,
you are
Professor Maurice
concluding.
Kamto.
You are concluding. Just conclude. Just conclude. Yes.
He's a boy to see.
Have they ever
Your phone is on.
I've never
Your
taped
phone
what
is
you say
on.
to Professor Maurice Kamto.
Tape it, sir. Can I
I've never taped what you say to Professor Maurice Kamto.
Can I help you on
And
this, sir?
when you call Professor
No,
Maurice
what-
Kamto the
what-
president of
what
this
we
country,
do here,
is Maurice-
NCF, please.
Professor Maurice Kamto the president of this
What
country.
we do here,
He's a
NCF.
boy
Is
boy.
Professor Maurice Kamto
I'm
the president
Igbo
of
US.
President Maurice Kamto is
there-
not the legitimate president of Cameroon.
Dear viewers of Crossviews on CMTV, this is where we come to the end of the program. We want to thank you so very much for being faithful to Crossviews. We want to say just go to YouTube and you get all the programs of CMTV, CMTV Boss, BUZZ. You will get it there. I've been Mwambo William, the moderator of Crossviews. Thank you so very much.